Imagine waking up tomorrow, stretching, yawning, and your cat says, "Good morning, Steve. By the way, the litter box situation? Unacceptable." Or your goldfish looks at you and says, "Can you not tap the glass?" Yeah. What if every animal on Earth could suddenly speak every human language? First, the news. The second this happens, chaos. Your morning news anchor won't be talking about politics anymore. They'll be interviewing pigeons from Times Square. Imagine a pigeon saying, "Yeah, I poop on cars because they're warm. Don't judge me." That clip would go viral in 5 seconds. Second, science would explode. Think of every question we've had about animal behavior. Why do whales beach themselves? Why do cats randomly sprint at 3 a.m.? Why do dogs tilt their heads like they're solving calculus? Finally, we get answers, straight from the source. Except the answers might not be satisfying. A cat might just say, "I run around at night because it's fun. Also, I knocked over that vase because you look bored." So, mystery solved, but at what cost? Third, food. Oh boy, the hamburger on your plate could have been a cow that, an hour ago, was telling you about her favorite songs. The chicken nuggets? Yeah, those chickens might have begged farmers not to kill them. That would be rough. Meat industries would collapse overnight. Veganism? Suddenly not a lifestyle choice, more like an ethical emergency. But wait, there's more. Farm animals could organize. Imagine cows going on strike, chickens demanding health care, pigs unionizing. You thought human protests were loud? Try 10 million pigs chanting in every language at once. That's the sound of civilization having a breakdown. Fourth, pets. Dogs already act like our best friends. If they could actually talk, your dog wouldn't just wag its tail. It'd say, "Hey, I missed you." Also, the mailman is plotting something. Don't trust him. Cats, meanwhile, would finally confirm what we already suspect. Yes, I do think I'm better than you. Parrots? They'd be the comedians of the animal kingdom. Endless jokes, and probably better at stand-up than most humans. Wild animals, though, that's where things get complicated. Sharks could explain they're not trying to kill surfers. Mosquitoes could say, "Sorry, it's just my job." But some animals would definitely mess with us. Ravens and crows are already super smart. Give them language, and you've basically created prank-loving teenagers with wings. They'd never stop trolling us. And insects? Imagine a housefly buzzing in your ear, but instead of silence it says, "Hey, hey, hey, what's up? Hey, notice me." Constantly. Forever. Humanity would go insane in a week. But here's the biggest change, our place in the world. For the first time, humans wouldn't be the only species with language. We wouldn't be the talking animals anymore. Every other creature would be on equal conversational footing. That means politics, global treaties with dolphins, court cases where rats testify, international summits where giraffes complain about tree-cutting policies. The United Nations would need to buy a lot more chairs. And let's be real, humans aren't great at listening to each other. Add 8.7 million animal species into the mix, and negotiations become impossible. We couldn't even agree on lunch. So, ironically, if animals could speak every human language, the biggest consequence might be that humans lose control of the planet. The age of humanity could quickly turn into the age of everyone else. In the end, animals speaking human languages would answer all our burning questions, but also create brand new ones. Society would transform overnight, our diets would change, and we'd finally learn the shocking truth. Your dog really does understand everything you say about him. So, what's the first animal you want to talk to? A wise old tortoise? A sarcastic crow? Or maybe just your cat, so you can finally ask why it stares at the wall at 2 a.m.? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you enjoyed this thought experiment, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more what-ifs that make the world just a little weirder.